Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Value YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to Intel Corporation. Intel Corporation, as we check the graphic, what's going on? They really sharp pullback here. It's almost 5.70% pullback. It's here and still it's trying to go down. And as you can see, this is the 1 month chart and still they try to go down. There is some support area here, support level. It's equal to $36.13. Now market is open. The price is around $36.19. Let's check what's going on here. Our previous video, what I told you, I don't know, I forget, sorry for this, but there's some regulation channel here. Also there's pullback channel here, as which is we tested April the 6th 2021. This is the peak point here, and also there's another peak level here, December the 12th, December the 22nd 2023, and then the last one is which day we tested the green line. Last October the 10th we tested the $39.60. And there's some regulation area here. As you can see, the price moving, which are $36, $38 almost here. There is some sideways channel here, and 3 times it's tried to break it, but it's defeated. Not 3 times, 5 times here. I want to zoom in here, and I will show you the October the 6th, October the 10th. Nearly it came to here, October 17, October 20, and today there's 5% they pull back here. But the $36 is working for the supporting area, because before September the 26th we saw it. We touched this area and pulled back again, and we passed this 36 levels. We break it here. Now we are resting. Actually, in my system, there's some gap here. Is the if the prices try to go up and some levels it's try to be resting, it must be for the big upside. And also short term, we must check our another channel here. As you can see, maybe we can draw like this here. Yeah, you can see the red line is our supporting area in the upward trend, but today we pass under this upward supporting level. So this is the question, big question. What will happen to Intel stocks? If we lose the 36 level, we will test it at $32 almost here, because the before we tested up September 30 here, we must come to here before $38.83 we can test it. After that, if the selling pressure is keep going on, we will see the $34. After that, $33 here. And if it's $36 losing in this trend, if I show you the big pictures, you can see the price can come here between $36.48 and $31.77. But don't worry, we just testing our supporting level now. And if I check our indicators, RSI told us I am cooling down right now, so it's okay for us. And October the 14th, there is some signal on the MACD here. You can see it in this blue and or orange line told us October the 13th upward trending momentum is losing, and also there's on the histogram you can see the red blocks here, and the trends need to be resting here. This is the first signal for us. If I check now, what will happen? This is the second alternative. If we pass to $38, we will see the 40, 43, and $46. We can see it. Let's wait and see what will next on Intel Corporation. For you can see the supporting level, how it worked like this. Before 2 hours, almost 2 hours. No, not 2 hours. 1 hour later, we tested here, and the reaction come, and it's try to keep it here around $36.16. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked this technical analysis showing, please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and support us. See you.